How would it sound if I told you that you could learn to engineer unlimited wealth in your life without spending lakhs and lakhs of amount of money on self-help courses, motivational gurus, and law of attraction training? Have you ever wondered how you can become a wealth engineer even you have been broke for your full life? Just a decade ago, I was once a shy, introverted youth living a stress life. While working in an executive job, my physical energy started going down and I kept on spending the money on and on. And in my whole life, I could not sum a handful of monetary savings for me and my family. I was burning out but barely getting anything done. With a different mindset and heart set, I started the business and I kept on expanding it in the way of skills, people, and transforming the people. We think bigger is better, and so often all we get with a bigger business with big problems. Without an understanding of our wealth maps, every business, no matter how successful it is a house of cards. Eventually I ended up losing motivation and I was in so much debts and loss and tossed in several challenges that I could not say to you. After all these stories and beliefs I'm sharing, I would love to share with you the same strategies, the same tools, same formula I personally used to come out of this rut. And I made a huge difference in my life. I want to offer these unique solutions and methods that will dramatically shift the reality of your wealth. Over the past few years, I have met geniuses, extraordinary personalities, trained and coached with world-leading coaches, learned and modeled impactful installations, and proven ways to achieve what I dreamt of. And still, the exciting journey is on. I have made important and significant contextual discoveries that have helped me to transform my wealth and life. And I have assisted thousands of people who have changed their perceptions, wealth maps, unconscious stories, excuses and belief, and inside out realities. The installations are now working on autopilot, and you can say automatic levels like habits. And these installations have helped me as well as my clients and coaches to push them out of their gray zone. If I ask you now, do you want to know how I crack the code of achieving profitable growth, profit plus multiple fold growth, what would you say? And how my 7+ year of studying neuroscience and my big breakthrough technology can help you to achieve the wealth that you are thriving for. Next week, I am executing a wealth engineering blueprint web class. Yes, a 5-day WhatsApp class which explains from the name Wealth Engineering Blueprint why it is the fastest tool to reach your unconscious maps, your stories, beliefs, and your wealth blocks. The same way I cracked the code and achieved it, in the same way in this WhatsApp class I am going to reveal the secrets to you. Make it happen for you. How can you make it happen for yourself? Well, click the link, book the seat, get ready to discover the technology of impactful installation and become ready to be a wealth engineer. So see you there in the class Monday to Friday.